from Abundant Living. I was talking with one of my sons today, and he says, my snarky one, he said, "Mom, why does Dad go on about how Baker's Green Acres food is so good and everyone should eat it? And besides, our food is the best and you ought to eat it." I got thinking about why that is. Why is fresh food so much better? Why is grocery store food not good for you? And there's a very simple answer, and it's life. Plain and simple. I believe that the closer your food that you're consuming is to harvest and or the form in which nature provided it, the closer you can eat to that, the more benefit you get from your food. Ayurveda, which is this ancient study, life science, has an answer for why that is. And it's called life force. That food, the closer it is to when it was alive, whether it's a carrot in the ground or a chicken in the field, the closer it is to when it was alive and the least amount of packaging, the more life force that has to give you. When it's been highly packaged, as in a lot of the store stuff, picked before it's ready, or traveled for miles and miles and miles. If you had traveled 1,500 miles, think how fresh you'd feel. It loses life force. The more life that's still in the food, the more life it has to give to you. So my thinking is, instead of calling things healthy or not healthy, and we want more healthful food, how about if we go for more lifeful food? Food that has a lot of life. We had canned green beans for lunch, which the kids like. But I was eating and I thought, I don't know, have you ever eaten food that you felt like, this is an exercise, this is keeping me alive, but you're not excited about it? The excitement and the flavor in food comes from life force, from how much life is still stored in that food. The longer food is in storage, the longer it is from when it was alive to when you eat it, the less life is still stored in that food. Canned stuff, not real full of life, not real lifeful. We also had our homemade kimchi on the table. That was good. I'm here to tell you. Things like that. The more that you can eat from your farmer's market, from your own garden, things that you have stored, the less packaging, the less travel and processing on your food, the more life it has stored, and the more life it has to give to you. And if you're all about having energy and having a body that works well, joints that don't creak, crack, and pop, you want food that has life. So, lifeful food. The Abundant Living thought for the day.